Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert shapes and icons to your slides created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your slides. After that, you should tap on this insert button at the top of the screen, and here you can find the shapes option at the top, so tap on it and you can find the available categories such as shapes, lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, and so on. All you have to do is selecting the relevant one, tap on it, and then it will be inserted. You should use this plus icon, and then you can customize its shape. Just simply tap on it and you can position it within the screen. As you can see, you can also select its form, you can fill it in with color, you can set the shape style, you can add borders to it, and so on. And if you would like to insert icons, tap on the icons button and you can search within the available icons at this section. That will load in a few seconds. So basically that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.